How to reset two-step verification in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Telegram application. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Go to settings. In setting you will see the option of privacy and security. Then after, click on two-step verification, and to reset the setting, firstly enter your first password. After that, once you have entered the password, you will be able to enter into this setting. Then after, you will see the option of disable password. So if you want to disable it, simply click on disable and you can see that the two-step verification has been turned off. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.